I am Groot. I am Groot.
Uh-huh.
I'm Groot.
Heavy artillery, semi-automatic. Try to get rid of me, go ahead and close the cask. I got a heavy tank, my guns blasting, no matter the opposition, ready for action. You see the stretch club? Come on, how cold is that? You know a 7-nation army couldn't hold me back. I got a biplane, I got a battleship, I got a Zeppelin, you better get out of here. Powder coward, you better move. You're overpowered, you're probably pissed in your trousers. We scour the battlefield. We got the big guns now, we on the battlefield. So just follow the leader. We got the big guns now, we on the battlefield. And we can't be defeated. I'm commanding millions of military personnel, and if we don't shoot first, then we gonna fail. It's amazing how the guns be blazing. Salute to the president and represent the nation. They fall back cause they know they can't hold us. Lead the attack and sweep with the flamethrowers. Hold the trenches, undisclosed positions. Pushing back, move out, time to close the distance. Guess they don't know who they dealing with. We the coldest, the killers. We just defending the freedom. Listen, we got this. They hide in crumbling buildings. If they don't run them, we kill them. We get them, we hit them, split them. You better move. You're overpowered. You're probably pissed in your trousers. We scour the battlefield in Indian.